In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We'll walk through how to share access to your Hostinger account the right way so you can safely collaborate with a freelancer, developer, or client without giving out your password. First, log in to your Hostinger account as you normally would. Make sure you're on a trusted device and network since we're about to grant access to someone else. Once you're on the dashboard, take a moment to glance around so you know where everything is. You'll be managing access from here. Next, open the account sharing section. This is where Hostinger centralizes permissions and collaboration. It's designed to keep your account secure while still letting others help you manage websites, hosting, or specific services. Think of it as a controlled doorway. You decide who can come in and what rooms they can enter. Inside account sharing, look for the option to share access or add a collaborator and click it. This starts the process of inviting another person to work on your projects without exposing your private credentials. You'll be asked to enter the email address of the person you're inviting. Type it carefully. This is the address where Hostinger will send the invitation, so accuracy matters. It should be an email they actively use for work. You don't need to include any personal details. Just the email is enough to route the invite. Now choose the access level or select the specific website you want them to manage. This is one of the most important choices you'll make. If they only need to work on a single site, limit their access to that site. If they need wider control, choose a higher access level. When in doubt, use the principle of least privilege. Give exactly what's needed and nothing more. This keeps your account safe while making their job easier. Once you've set the permissions, send the invitation. Before you do, give everything a quick review. Double check the email and confirm you've selected the correct website or role. Sending the invite triggers an email to the person you added. Finally, ask the other person to accept the invite from their email rather than sharing your password directly. This keeps your credentials private and your account secure. Let them know to look for the message in their inbox, and if it doesn't appear right away, it may land in a spam or promotions folder. After they accept, they'll have exactly the access you granted, nothing more, nothing less. And remember, you stay in control. You can adjust or remove access from the same account sharing section whenever needed.